We just saw Orlando Pirates. Your quick overview of the game.
I don't think people got their money's worth, Nadim, and I stand saying that.
I think we've seen better, man. We've seen better finals and we've seen better games, especially in the hands of Orlando Pirates.
Maybe
you played
also
at Pirates,
because
Kola. Do you think there was a force that said it must change it? You played at Pirates. Please tell us about. Do you think there was a force?
I thought maybe this position here, maybe that's where the coach got it wrong with these three.
when last did we see a coach winning back-to-back trophies in his first start of the season? The guy is doing great.
It's doing very well, because if you look at teams like Kaizer Chiefs, who won trophy in how many years? 11 years. If you look at Sundowns, they've not won a cup competition besides the league since 2022.